It is a cook with Matt kind of vlog. Matt has been out shopping and has even found some new things to add to our shop kitchen here. Man, it is about to get serious. He's got the mixing bowls. I don't even know what he's making today, but it's going to be a good day. Woohoo! Okay. I don't even want to ask what this is for. I have no idea. Welcome back to our channel here. It's Sonia and Matt, and let's see what goes down in the kitchen today, because you've got both of us here in one space, but it's going to be worth
tiny,
right? And
tiny
space. That's okay. We can make it work.
We're going to do Thai because I am hopping back on the keto train, but I want to prove to people that they don't have to not have flavor.
Okay. So what you're saying is you don't have to eat bland.
Yeah, you don't have to eat the same thing over and over again.
It can be a wonderful lifestyle.
Yeah, absolutely.
Our keto-loving friends are going to love this because we're always looking for good new recipes.
Okay. So what we're going to start off with is a Thai cucumber salad. When you get done, about a half cup is going to equal about 5 grams of carbs. So I got 1 clove of garlic chopped up here, and then I'm going to take some fresh ginger.
Woohoo! Smells amazing. Guys, if you could smell the kitchen right now, I said to him, I'm like, are you already starting to cook? And he's like, all I did was what, cut garlic? Yeah, all I did was cut garlic. So I got a microplane here. For the chefs of the world who work in professional kitchens, you know what a microplane is. It's a very, very fine grate for cooking. I did probably a 1/4 to a 1/2 teaspoon of ginger there, and with garlic. So I got my rice wine vinegar. That's a 1/2 cup of rice wine vinegar. So I'm going to take the whisk, get this guy in there. So I'm going to do about 1/2 teaspoon of salt to get started. Instead of 1/2 cup of sugar, which makes us totally non-keto, we're going to take some liquid stevia. Ooh. And we're going to go... Let's see the label.
Yep, it's just a great value.
Okay.
$2. So,
Walmart brand.
Yep. So I'm going to squeeze. That was probably about 6 to 7 drops. So let's go in here and do the chef finger dip.
Okay.
That's actually right when we want to try it. Go do a pinky. So now I use the other pinky.
Oh, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Gingery.
Yeah. Sweet. Yeah. So anyways, I will catch up with you in a minute once I get my onions and everything else chopped up. Okay. So in here we have our garlic and ginger and stevia and rice wine vinegar, and I chopped up a Fresno pepper, which is kind of not a hot pepper. You had a little bit earlier because Sonia doesn't like a lot of spice. I like a lot of spice. Well, I chopped it up. Just my luck. I probably hooked into the hottest Fresno pepper ever on the face of the earth. So I got a little bit in here, so there's a little bit of heat in here. After that, what I did was I took 2 English cucumbers. I put some salt in there to draw some of the moisture out to mix with the juice to mix with the vinegar when we go. So now what I'm doing is... Now, the reason I put the pepper in there was let the vinegar infuse with the pepper, the chili flavor a little bit more. So now I'm doing about 1/4 cup of green onions. So here's the thing, right? When you get the amount of onion that you want, don't throw these out. These are perfectly good onions.
Okay.
When we were kids, we used to grow them and, we put them in water and eat them as snacks, right? Mm-hmm. So, but if you don't want to do that, I'm going to show you something to do with them when you get done. So now that this had a little bit of time to infuse, I'm going to take 1/2 of a lime here, and I am just going to squeeze.
Is that what you have to say when you do that? Squeeze.
Squeeze a bit of that juice in there. Okay. So... An entire lime has about 6 grams of carbs in it. This squeeze of juice, you're going to have probably about 1 to 2 grams of carbs in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these onions. I want that onion flavor to get in there, right? So we're going to look in here. So we got onions and we got peppers and we got all that great flavor in there. We're just going to let it go for a couple minutes. Here is where my recipe varies greatly from the original. The original calls for chopped peanuts, right? So I'm all about chopped peanuts, but I'm going to be doing some other things with peanut. So I'm not going to put it in there. I'm actually going to skip it. So the last thing I am going to chop up and add is probably about a quarter cup of cilantro. I'm just going to do a rough chop of the cilantro. Like that. Go the other way. Just big rocky chops. So we're getting that all in there, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take this.
Oh my gosh, it just got better.
Yep. Take this. Can you smell it?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Oh, look, 2 got left behind.
Yep.
Nobody gets left behind in my world.
So I'm going to take this and just coat this over like this. I use my hands. You can use whatever you want, but
He gets into his work.
they're the best mixers.
God-given mixers.
Yeah, God-given mixers, right? You know what I'm super happy about?
What?
Is I have my knife here. Finally. So
Matt
take,
brought out his
take your little iceberg there, set them on
knife
there,
to the shop here.
and there you go. You got your little pie cucumber salad.
This is so good, guys. You know, I tend to cook very basic stuff. Matt somehow manages to throw all these things together to be like extra tasty stuff, you know?
Yeah.
Sometimes you just want something different. You're tired of eating the
And
same
that's what I'm
things.
saying. If you're tired of doing the same thing keto,
Oh, this is it's just
and
amazing.
the longer this sits, the more you can see here the salt is bringing all that liquid out. Here, let's get the kids to taste test it.
Okay.
Hey, Kate!
Oh, that's actually really good. Okay.
Yummy, huh? Do you like a little bit of bite, like a little bit of kick to your stuff?
Yeah, that's what it's giving me.
That's a Thai
Fresh
chili
ingredients.
cucumber
That's
salad.
really good.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, Adam's gonna taste test. Go for it. You like that?
Yeah,
Do you find it spicy?
yeah.
Is it yummy spicy though?
It's yummy spicy.
Ooh, spice is supposed to be so good for your blood too.
It is.
And cucumbers, hydration.
Clears
Tanya.
up the...
Sinuses, doesn't it? Yeah. Hey, this is a winner. I'm excited that Matt's going to be experimenting with us on this vlog, and this gives him room to create. I like to create on furniture. He likes to create in the kitchen.
I'm tired of seeing.
a happy
I'm
marriage.
tired of seeing bland food in
Really?
keto.
Nice.
I am absolutely.
This doesn't even involve cheese. A lot of times you see keto recipes
yeah,
with a lot of
exactly.
cheese and stuff. This
Yeah.
is like beautiful, healthy, just clean recipe.
Absolutely.
Matt, you have outdone yourself.
Of course I have.
This is amazing.
No faith. Every time I do it, she's like stunned and amazed, like it's the first time I ever
This
done
beats sausage links any day. Listen, there's always a day you got to eat sausage links. You know.
it. I love sausage links. You know me.
I do too. I had them last night for supper. But what I'm saying is, then there are days when you just feel like you want something different, right? So good. So it is that time of the video where I tell you guys, well, hello, happy Vlogmas, first of all, to everybody out there. I can't believe we're almost halfway through our Vlogmas season, but don't worry, this vlog will continue to go on and on and on, okay? So make sure that you are
song that
part of
never
this
ends.
channel. What's that?
It's the vlog that never ends.
The vlog that never ends. It goes on and on, my friends. What's the next word?
God bless you, Sherry Lewis,
Some
wherever
people
you are.
some people started watching it not knowing what it was, and they'll continue watching it forever just because this is the vlog that never ends, okay? So our winner from yesterday, oh, let me grab it real quick. Right here, right here, right here. By the way, this snowman, for anybody who missed it, if you go over to my Facebook page, go into the video section and you'll find me painting this live, okay, guys? Because it is super, super cute, all right? So yesterday, I offered this up to you guys every day here on Vlogmas on YouTube. There's 25 days of vlogging, of DIYs around the house and in the kitchen, and there's always a gift up for grabs as well. So somebody subscribed, liked my video from yesterday, and commented. In fact, I've got her comment right here. Maria Ramirez said, hello, Sonia and Matt. Hello, Maria. Hope you guys are doing well and having a great evening. Great video. So love how they turned out. Thank you for sharing different techniques, encouragement, and inspiration. Can't wait to see what's in store for tomorrow. Much love and big Texas hugs, because everything is bigger in Texas.
You got that
From
right.
South Texas. And so Maria, I am happy to say, girl, thank you for hanging out with us here at the Junk Monkey, for putting up with us and just hanging out, because you're awesome. And I'm going to send this your way if, okay, so here's the very next step, right? You subscribe, you like liked the video, you commented it down below, I've picked your name, and now you have 24 hours as of the timestamp of this video to email me at jugmonkeypaint@gmail.com and say, hey girl, it's Maria, and I am here collecting on my winnings, okay? And Maria is one of those faithful people, so I know she's gonna see this. I'd be surprised if she does not see this, okay?
The one time ever.
Yeah, right. No, Maria, we need you to watch this video, girl. And email me, jugmonkeypaint@gmail.com, okay? So we can get this off to you. So, time starts now. So today, what are we gonna do up for grabs? Well, we were talking and we just feel somebody out there, we don't know who it is, but somebody out there needs some monkey shine, okay? I pulled this from my studio. I love this stuff. This is what you use to seal your projects. So, and it makes it so easy, like signs like I just showed you. This is sealed with our monkey shine, which creates a beautiful resist. It's so easy to be able to use. So I am going to gift a can, because somebody out there needs an entire new can for their stash. And so this could be your lucky day, okay? So this is the gift today for Vlogmas. You guys know what you have to do. Subscribe to this video, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, send me some love. Like I always say, I don't care what you write, but I do love your positive words, and it could be about anything. Tell us what you liked about the video today, and tell us, will you make this yummy cucumber salad? Is this something that you would definitely try? All right, guys, and pretty much this is over and out. Vlogmas day, this is day 12, right? Day 12, the 12th of December. Can you believe it? Yeah, right? This year is almost done. We will be back again tomorrow. And Matt, you have something tomorrow that you're going to tell us how to use those onion remnants, right? That we had left over today. All right, I think you put them already in the fridge. So how to use the onion remnants, and what else is it we're going to be doing tomorrow?
Oh, it's a big surprise.
A big surprise?
It's an accompaniment for your Thai chili salad.
Okay. Does it involve protein, like a meat, or what?
Yes, it does.
Nice. Chicken. All right. Stay tuned tomorrow for Matt's chicken dish. And it will all go down right here, so you're in a good place. All right. See you guys tomorrow. I'm going to go munch and finish my salad. Bye.